before entering as to what is a Bear Act, I would like to draw the attention of everyone towards a basic difference. That is a difference between the code and an act. Like for example, we see that we call Civil Procedure Code, and thereafter we call the Dowry Prohibition Act or the Hindu Marriage Act. So why is there a difference that we call it the other thing the code and the other thing the act? So to draw the start with the difference, I would like to say that code is what, like before the enactment of the act, there were some usages and the customs that were prevailing in the society. Those were written down in a codified form in one document, and that is called a code. To be more specific, in the code we actually wrote down all the customs that were happening, that people, that the petitioner going to the court, giving the petition, and the defense giving their defense, and so on and so forth with the evidence part. So thereafter, in the code, the legislature do not put their legislative intent much. More of the custom is included in the code. Talking about the statute as such, like statute is what? Statute is moreover provided to like curb the menace in the society. Like for example, we had the usage of dowry taking. So when we used to take dowries, that menace had to be curbed by the legislature. So the legislature intent to curb the dowry. So therefore, we had a Dowry Prohibition Act in which the custom is being prohibited. So in the code, to generalize the whole discussion, in the code we included more of usage and less of legislative intent. And in the statute, there is more of legislative intent and there is a specific purpose. That is the purpose that the legislature intended. That is why they enacted the act. Talking about what is a Bear Act. A Bear Act, to be on a technical note, I would say it is an exact text that is given by the legislature to us. But on a simpler note, I would like to say it is the gateway to our Indian legal system. It tells us as to what rights are guaranteed to us and protected to us, and what rights are enforceable by the law. And if that right is infringed by some third party or some other person, then how the person who is the victim of that infringement can get the remedy from the law. So the Bear Act is the whole text that tells us as to what are the rights protected and how can you, while in the infringement, how can you get the remedy done by the court.